buy back your time and design your life. Buy back your time and design your life. So simple example. Our other is there Dan. What is the everyone usually think that we can use money to buy items. Correct, right? We can use money to buy items. Maybe some groceries, or maybe some electronic items, or maybe to buy the phone, to buy to buy the things, to buy the items. We are always going to use the money. Correct, right? Yeah. Usually we are using money for. Usually we are using money for to buy items, to buy things, and so on. But what will happen is, so our Dan other one time is fully busy in office activities. Shirts, is dresses washing and cleaning, is always facing the problem. He's fully busy. One day, what that person did is, if I arrange assistant, why don't you delegate this activity to some person? Like, he thought, he delegated that cloth cleaning and ironing activity to a person. Then automatically, just he's paying some amount, automatically he's getting free time. That free time is spending on higher level activities. First time this person got the feeling, oh, we can buy time also. Not only items, not only goods, not only things. We can buy time also. If I buy the time, then automatically that time, if I use on higher level activities, my growth will become exponential. I will spend more time with family. I will spend more time in what way I want. Like, first time he got that feeling. Then automatically he started delegating all the lower level activities. He's always going to concentrate on only higher level activities only. Remember that. I hope it is clear. So first laundry, with the laundry example, only laundry, other saw the importance of buyback time. The importance. Now he is feeling very happy to spend where he want to spend. He is spending the time there. Time freedom this person got. That is the most important, man. So from this total cinema, from this total buyback your time, the simple point what you people should aware is, in what way you want to lead your life. In that style only you have to lead. For that, you should require more free time. How you can get that free time? Delegate low-level activities to some person by paying some money. Buy back your time by giving some money. Next, if it is a very low level, not at all useful, remove that activity from your daily routine. That thing matters a lot. So, yesterday night, I told my wife, if you want 4 assistants, you can keep. But don't tell that I'm fully tired or I'm not in a position. Okay, I'm fully tired or otherwise, so not in a position, okay, to help the kids, not having the time to help the kids, not having the time. Such type of nonsense don't tell. If you want, you can arrange 4 assistants. Remember that. Low level activities, all the things, better to delegate. Concentrate only on higher level activities.